Welcome everyone to this course, Web Development Mastery. Okay, this is a course overview where we actually show you what this course entails. Okay, the content of this course, who will be taking it, what are the benefits, what projects are we going to be building, what are you going to be learning. Okay, so this is a Web Development Mastery course where you'll be learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from beginners level to mastery level. Yes, whether you're just starting, whether this is your first time of starting computer programming, your software development journey, if this is your first time, you are in the right place because at the Global Genius, we are here to guide you. We are here to guide you from beginners level to mastery level. Okay, so and one thing that is different, one difference between us and others is this: we care about you. All right, our goal is to make you a professional. Okay, so but this year you are going to be learning from beginners level to mastery level. We are going to be teaching you almost everything you need to know about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from beginners level to mastery level. The content of this course is so big. Okay, you can also check out the HTML course content. You can also check out the CSS course content and the JavaScript course content. Okay, so we are going to be building responsive, dynamic, and interactive websites. You're going to be building after the end of this course. When you finish this course, you're going to learn a lot to build responsive, dynamic, and interactive website. And this course is going to span between 3 to 4 months, okay, depending on how fast you take the course. Right? Remember, it is self-paced. You take your classes at your own time. So whether you're working, whether you're a student, okay, after work, after classes, after your normal school classes, you can also take these courses, okay? Take your classes because it is self-paced. You run at your own speed, whether slow or fast. But if you take it seriously, 3 to 4 months, you would finish it, okay? And you would also be taking your time to build develop your own applications, okay? Building your GitHub repo, building your LinkedIn profile, okay? So let's go down to it. Now, this course is actually brought to you by the Global Genius. You already know this, and we are here to help you. That is why we are here to take you from beginners level to mastery level. All right. All we want you to do is just learn. We have a lot to teach you. All right. All learn. And we also offer you personal coaching, mentorship. If anything is difficult for you, you reach out to us. We would always help you out. We are always available for you. So you are in the right place. You have come to the right place. Okay. So what is the course introduction? What are we going to be looking at? What is this course all about? What is this course all about? And now this course is about learning the building blocks of web development. Whenever it comes to web development, the building blocks are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, if you want to build a web application, the building block is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And whatever you still learn here, you can still take it to even mobile development because you can use React Native to build mobile applications. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript would also be very, very, very useful for building mobile applications. So you can see that whatever you're going to be learning here, it's going to be beneficial to you too when you start developing mobile applications with React Native. So pay close attention, learn, study, all right, studies to understand this, and we teach you concept by concept, step by step. All right, we teach you from one concept to another, step by step, building from the beginner's level, and we build it up to mastery level. All right, everything we teach, any topic we bring here, we treat it for you to understand it. So we are here to teach you. All right. So you're also going to be gaining hands-on experience to create real-world web application. All right. At the end of this video, you're going to be seeing the application we'll be creating. Very amazing application. Okay. So you'll be learning how to build real-world applications. You're also going to be mastering tools and workflows used by professional developers. Okay. And why learn web development? Why should you learn web development? Before I even go on to even say why learn web development, let me tell you the reason why I chose to master web development. Yes, I still do mobile development, but I chose to be a master of the web because the web is so big. It's so, so, so big. Every company, every big company has a web application. Everybody can access web application with their browser. The mobile phones have browsers, desktop, laptop, they have browsers. So if you create a web application, everybody can access it. Okay? Everybody can access it. And there is a whole lot. There is a whole lot you can do with web development. So while learn web development, benefits of mastering web technologies. When you learn web development, you're going to be learning a lot of web technologies. Okay. What are the benefits of mastering web technologies? Number one is there is high demand for web developers globally. There is high demand for web developers globally. All right. You can Google it, see for yourself. There is high demand. What it means is that if you're very good at this, there is a whole lot of jobs that will be knocking on your door. You will not be the one to select, but you have to be very, very, very good. And that is what we are here to train you for. Okay? You have to be very, very good. Don't be lazy. We have a lot to teach you. Take it one step at a time. We have a lot to teach you. And when you learn all these skills, the more skills you have, the easier to develop. Okay, the easier development becomes for you, the more skills you have, and we are going to teach you a lot of skills. So be ready to learn. And once you learn, once you master these things, these technologies, there is high demand for web developers globally. Okay, there is ability to work remotely or you freelance. You can work for international companies here, wherever you are remotely, or you can also be a freelancer. Okay, you can build and launch your own web-based projects. By the grace of God, I am the developer of this platform you're using to learn. You see, I didn't go for jobs, but I actually built my own. I have an idea, okay? And since I have an idea, and I have the skills to develop these ideas as a software, I developed it. And today you're using it, okay? So that is the reason why you should learn. All right. So when you learn and master, you're going to be building and launching your own web-based project. Just like I have done here, this project, this platform you're using now, I was the one who developed it. The idea came and I developed it because of what I have the skills. So that is why you need to have your own skills. Build these skills that we are going to be teaching you. Okay. You are going to be developing interactive, user-friendly websites for any audience at all. All right. You can develop for any audience. So you'll be developing interactive, user-friendly website. Okay. I feel so good whenever people tell me how easy this platform is for them, how easy they can use this platform. It gives me so much joy. So you are going to be developing in the next 3 to 6 months, okay? You are going to be able to develop your own web-based applications, interactive, user-friendly websites for your audience, okay? Now, what are the course objectives? By the end of this course, you will understand the core principles of web development. All right. You're going to be understanding the core principles of web development. You're going to be building responsive web designs with HTML and CSS. Okay. You're going to be adding functionality and interactivity with JavaScript. All right. We build responsive web designs with HTML and CSS. Then we now add functionality and interactivity with JavaScript. You're going to see all these things come to play. Okay. Now, basically, we'll be taking three main courses, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And you can take them simultaneously. All right. My recommendation is this. You can take a section in HTML, a section in CSS, a section in JavaScript in a day. All right. You can take them section by sections. You can take them simultaneously because at the end of the day, they all come together. They all work together. So you can take them simultaneously. All right. And then just learn fast. Take this thing very seriously. Learn very, very fast. You're going to be working on real world project to develop practical coding skills. Now, the more practical things you do, the more projects you do, the more practical coding skills you gain. So you have to code. This is not a lazy course. This is not a theory course. Yes, in the introduction, the few first chapters of the course could be much more of theory, but once we now get in from the third chapters down, we are now doing real world projects. We are not coding. We are not doing practical intensive exercises. There will be exercises for every section, for every class. There will be tests for every class. Please make sure you take this, do this exercise. Make sure you take your test. If you find anything difficult, reach out to your instructor. We are always here personal coaching and personal mentorship is what we promised you, and you're going to get it. So whenever you have any issues, please reach out to us. We will help you out, okay? You're going to be learning how to deploy and host your website for public access. Just like you're able to access this platform from wherever you are, you're also going to be deploying your own website for people to also see and access them, okay? All right, so let us break this course down. Like I told you, we'll be having three main courses in this course. We're having HTML as a course. So let us see the structure of HTML. With HTML, we'll be writing clean and semantic HTML. We'll also be building forms, tables, content sections. There's a whole lot. Just what you will do is this. I wouldn't want this video to take too much, to take long, but I want you to go to the HTML course. You will see the course content. You're going to see all the chapters that are available. Okay, that's what we are going to be learning. So we use HTML to build the structure of our website, our web application. Then we now use CSS to do the design to make it look good. So we style with colors, with fonts, and with layers. And we use flexbox, grid, responsive design techniques. These are the things we are going to be learning. We'll be adding animations and transitions. Okay, so then we will not do JavaScript. Moreover, our JavaScript is like two. We have JavaScript for beginners and we have JavaScript mastery. So you're going to be getting the two of them in this course. Okay, so the interaction, JavaScript brings the interaction. So we do variables, loads, function, and events. Just go and see for each of these courses, just go to their course content. You're going to see what we'll be doing. There are a whole lot to learn, okay? There are a whole lot to learn. So we'll also be in the advanced JavaScript. In the JavaScript for beginners, we'll be doing more of the beginners level thing. But when we do the JavaScript master, we'll be doing more of modern JavaScript features like the ES6, okay? So we'll be doing more. That is where we will do the mastery of JavaScript. So take your time, go through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript course content and see the chapters that we have, the topics we are going to be treating. And for every chapter, there are sessions under it where you'll be seeing different topics under that chapter we'll be treating, okay? So what are the tools and resources we are going to be using? Very simple. During this course, you'll be using code editor. You can use Replit because you can start this course with your mobile phone. So when you're using your mobile phone, you can go to Replit. You can use Replit, okay, to start learning, to do your coding. But if you're using a laptop, you can actually use Visual Studio Code, okay? We'll be using the browser dev tools for testing, all right? We'll be using the version control GitHub and GitHub, okay, for version control. And we'll also be building some real world projects. Basically, we'll be doing small projects along the line. But at the end of this course, once we finish this course, we'll be building a real world project. We'll be building a music streaming website with no libraries. Website like Spotify, Boomplay, applications like that. That is what we'll be building. We'll be building music streaming website with no libraries. What I mean with no libraries is that we are going to be building it with raw JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. We are not going to be using libraries like React or Vue. No, we are not going to be using that, or even Angular. We'll be using pure JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to build music streaming website. Okay, music streaming was that's what we are going to be building. And this is after building this website, this is something you will be so proud of to add to your portfolio. Okay, now who should take this course? Who should take this course? Beginners with little or no coding experience. Whether you just finished secondary school, whether you're a university student, whether you are someone who is working and you want to make a change in career, this course is for you. We already have some people who just finished secondary school, yet to gain admission into the university. They are taking this course. All right. So beginners with little or no coding experience. Okay. Okay. Designers who want to bring their work to life, people who are graphic designers and they want to be web developers, professionals looking to upskill for a career in tech. All right. If you're a professional, you want to upskill for a career in tech, then this course is also for you. All right. What are the course outcomes? By the end of this course, you will build responsive and functional website. You will have a portfolio of projects to showcase your skills. And one thing I let you know is this, okay? Most times when we go for interviews, employers are looking for what have you done? You see, this profession is not by certificate. It's not by what certificate do you have. It's by certificate. All right. If you're in Nigeria now, there's something we say sabi. Sabi is what do you know? Certificate is what can you do? Certificate. What can you do? That is what employers are looking for. And that is why we are going to be building projects along the line. And we are going to crown it all with a music streaming website. This is something when your employer sees it, all right, they will be so happy that you know what you're doing, okay? You're going to be understanding the fundamentals of front-end web development. Okay, so you're also going to be ready to explore advanced frameworks like React and Vue. Now, after taking this course, the next recommended course would be React. Okay, we also have this course in this platform, React. And after doing React, you do React Native. So by that time, you'll be able to build web applications and mobile applications. So give yourself space of between now and 2 years. All right, whatever you're learning now will build you up. Between now and 2 years, you're going to be a web developer and also a mobile developer. What it means is that you'll be developing web applications and also mobile applications. Give yourself space of 1 to 2 years. Okay, 1 to 2 years. Okay, before the next 24 months, okay, you will be able to be developing web applications and mobile applications. If you're still in school, this is a very good opportunity for you. While you're in school, you can also be taking this course as a side course, and by the time you graduate, all right, you're going to have these skills, master these skills, and that will be very, very amazing for you. When people are complaining of they don't have jobs, you will be selecting the job that you want to take because you're a professional web and mobile developer. So, call to action. You need to start immediately. Start your journey today. You are very, very lucky that this course is as cheap as affordable as 50,000 naira. This course is as affordable as 50,000 naira. Okay? You have to start right now. You have to start right now. Enroll now to become a skilled web developer, unlock endless opportunities in the tech industry, and learn, build, and master. All right? You have to um, you have to start right away. If you have not started, you have to start right away. Contact us. However you got this video, contact us, contact whoever sent you this video, contact the person, tell the person that you want to start right away, that you want to start right away. You can even start with, you can even pay in installment, okay? You can pay in 2 installments. This course is just for 50,000 naira, and you can pay in installment, in 2 installments, okay? So reach out to whoever sent you this video, or you reach out to us. Our phone number, our WhatsApp number is 091 6770 4504, 091 6770 4504, 091 6770 4504, or you reach out to whoever sent you this video, okay, or you visit us our website, okay. All right, so thank you very much. The Global Genius welcomes you to this course, web development, and we are here to help you. That is our intention. That is why we created this platform, to help you become professionals and create great applications. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in your first chapter, in your first class. Have a great day.